Good afternoon. My name is Dr. Chivkal Sri Krishna Soumya. Today's my poster is about a rare case of renal coloboma syndrome with double disc sign. A 15 years old female child, a known case of chronic kidney disease stage 3 in 6 months, diagnosed with metabolic bone disorder and iron deficiency anemia, referred to ophthalmology department from the pediatrics department for fundus examination. On general examination, pallor is present, patient has difficulty in walking. On ocular examination, visual acuity in right eye is 6 by 6 and in left eye is 6 by 6 partial. Anterior segment is normal in both the eyes. Fundus reveals media, optic disc, blood vessels and macula appears normal in the right eye. Background shows a horizontally oval, hypopigmented, depressed lesion of half disc diameter seen inferior to the disc through which retinal blood vessels are passing, showing the double disc sign suggestive of the choroidal coloboma in the right eye. Fundus of the left eye is normal. Ocular investigations include IOP measured by applanation tonometer in right eye is 12 mm Hg and in left eye 14 mm Hg. Axial length measured using the scan of right eye is 22.84 mm and the left eye is 22.75 mm. B scan of the right eye is normal and OCT macula of right eye is normal. This is the B scan of right eye which appears to be normal. This is a macula, OCT of macula which appears to be normal, and this is a OCT at the coloboma site which shows a depressed crater with devoid of the choroidal tissue, suggestive of choroidal coloboma. Hematological investigations shows increased intact parathormone level, serum alkaline phosphatase, serum urea, creatine, chloride levels. Decreased levels of serum calcium and hemoglobin were observed with the raised ESR levels. Radiological investigations include ultrasound abdomen showing grade 2 renal parenchymal changes, chest X-ray shows pseudofracture of right clavicle, X-ray hip joints, pubic diastosis and proximal neck of femur fracture with decreased bone density. MRI lower limbs shows grade 2 renal ricket changes. All these are suggestive of renal osteodystrophy changes. Discussion. So, renal coloboma syndrome, also called as papillorenal syndrome, is a rare autosomal dominant congenital anomaly primarily affecting kidney and eye development. People with this condition typically have kidneys that are small and underdeveloped hypoplastic, which leads to the end-stage renal disease. The eye anomalies include optic nerve anomalies like optic nerve coloboma and optic nerve dysplasia, choroidal coloboma, macular dysplasia with varying degrees of visual impairment. Conclusion. Patient with double disc sign needs to be screened for renal pathology. Large choroidal coloboma with intercalary membrane needs prophylactic Baraz laser to prevent the retinal detachment.